Hello everyone, I'm Kritika Meher, a recent construction management graduate from NICMAR Pune, class of 2020. I'm an active member with the Project Management Institute and a volunteer with the PMI Pearl City Hyderabad chapter. I'm delighted to share that I've recently been selected as a global volunteer working with the Next Generation Insight team for budding project managers around the globe. Honestly, I took the membership with PMI only to get access to resources for my exam preparation. It was after 6 months that I realized that they were local chapters too. I kept receiving mails, and one such mail that attracted me from PMI PCC was the initiative of empowering women in project management. I wanted to know more about this initiative, so I got in contact with the board of directors of PMI PCC, and I realized that there were tons of opportunities for volunteering and networking. And I knew that I had to be part of such a chapter considering my interests, and that's how I registered myself for PMI PCC. I needed to upgrade my skills and have certain attributes that would help me stand out in the industry. Therefore, I foraged ways to stand out. And that's when I heard about CAPM, Certified Associate in Project Management Certification by PMI, which is an entry-level certification exam for aspiring project managers. And I did a lot of research and spoke to my friends, colleagues, my faculty from college, and also a few CAPM professionals too. And I made a decision and realized that it was worth my time and money to give this exam. And finally, with a month-long preparation, I cracked the exam and making it into the list of one of my achievements. I took 4 weeks of preparation for my CAPM exam. I referred the latest edition of PEMBOK Guide and other PMI resources from the PMI website. And the syllabus consists of 13 knowledge areas, and I took 3 weeks of complete preparation, and I made sure that I completed one chapter a day. And I must say that the journey of my preparation was an enjoyable one because the concepts were very relatable, especially if you're from the project management background. Well, PMI PCC has many unique initiatives, and one such initiative that I'm a part of is Student Leadership Competency Building Program. This focuses on preparing and delivering content on project management concepts to students in the age group of 12 to 22 years. So the objective of this initiative is to transform today's students to tomorrow's leaders. This initiative is particularly very close to my heart. And the other initiatives by the chapter are the TWED Gold program in collaboration with the Tribal Welfare Department of India, where they focus on transforming tribal girls, and make them digitally ready for their professional endeavors. The chapter has also launched a recent project management business book in sign language. They've also launched project management concepts in regional language, that is Telugu. And they have many such unique initiatives and social good initiatives that are very attractive. I have a lot of experiences worth sharing, and few such experiences are in the virtual era and the pandemic, or the smooth gathering of the team and the webinars and the functioning of the chapter has been posing a lot of technical issues and collaboration issues. It is the back-end team, that is the volunteers that work with the member outreach task force and the communication team, that facilitate the seamless functioning of the chapter. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this team and contribute my bit, and I would like to thank my mentor Suma Murthy, who is the director for memberships of the chapter, for guiding me through this process. And the second experience is for being on the other side of the table, that is equally satisfying. I've been anchoring at many chapter level and regional level events with the help of my mentor, Ms. Komal Mathur, who is the General Secretary of PMI PCC. She's been a constant motivation for me throughout the chapter journey, and I must say that my experience has proved to be a great learning and networking experience so far.